Lisa Gagnon, and I'm going to talk about teacher tips for the week. Today's tip is using a transition signal, and my favorite transition signal is using a Tibetan singing bowl. Now, a singing bowl can easily be found on Amazon or some other online site. It looks like this, and the way I use it is this. We're going to ring the bell 3 times. The first time the bell is rung, the children will stop and place their hands on their heart. The next time, they will place their hands to their eyes, and the final time, they will place their hands at their ears. Hand on your heart, hand at your eyes, hand at your ears, and now it's time to listen to your teacher.